Good morning, students. Today, now I am teach about chapter 2, human reproduction. Reproduction in human beings. Reproduction, why? The process of reproduction is inevitable for the existence of a species, development of next generation, right? All the organisms which are involved either directly or indirectly in the process of reproduction are collectively called as reproductive system. This is two more question. What is called a reproductive system? Right? There is a functions of reproductive system. What are the main functions? Production of gametes, both male and female. Transportation of gametes. The gametes means male gametes travel into the female reproductive tract, that is transportation. Sustenance of gametes, nurturing the offspring. Production of hormones is a very important role in the hormones, means sexual hormones. See the diagram. First, gametogenesis. Gametogenesis occurs in reproductive organ, male reproductive organ testes and female ovaries. Next, insemination. The sperm enter into the female reproductive tract called insemination. The insemination may be artificial and natural. Next one is fertilization. The fusion of gametes. The male reproductive cells contain haploid number of chromosomes, means nucleus, haploid number of nucleus. The haploid number of nucleus are enter into the ovum. That is called the fusion of two gametes are called fertilization. Next, cleavage. After fertilization, the fertilized will go to multiplication or cleavage. Next, implantation. The cleavage process occurs in ampulla region to end of fallopian tube. Next one, implantation. The fertilized egg travel into the fallopian tube and move to the uterus wall. The implantation occurs in uterus wall. Next, placentation. The formation of placenta, connection between the mother to fetus. Then gastrulation. Gastrulation means after cleavage, the formation of several stages of gastrulation. Next one is organogenesis. The formation of organs from the fetus, that is called organogenesis. Example, the system formation, heart, lungs, bone, muscles and other organs and etc. Then the final stages are called parturition. Parturition means the babies expel out from the female reproductive system, right? The primary reproductive organs. The primary reproductive organs in male, testes. The primary reproductive organ in females, ovary. It is called a primary reproductive organ. Next, we are discuss about male reproductive structures. The male contain pair of testes and accessory ducts, that is called testes. This is accessory ducts, accessory glands and external genitalia. This is external genitalia and then accessory glands. The accessory glands are present in male. Next one is testicles. The primary male sex organ. Testes are called primary male sex organ. The number of testes are 2. The shape of testis in oval, located inside the scrotum. Anatomy of testis. Testis is covered by a tunica albuginea. This is the outermost layer, divided into 200 to 250 lobes. This is lobes, 200 to 250 lobes. Each lobe has seminiferous tubules. Inside the yellowish color called seminiferous tubules. 80% of testis is seminiferous tubules. In the overall overall testis, it's contain 80% only are present in seminiferous tubules. Next, histology of testis. Spermatogonic cells produce sperms. The sperms are produced from spermatogonia. Spermatogonia are present in male testes. This is a primary site of sperm production. Sertoli cells nourishes the sperms. The nourishment provide Sertoli cells. Leydig cells is a very important cells. The Leydig cell secretes testosterone. Testosterone is a steroidal hormone, male sex hormone. The sex hormones are involved in production of sperm, right? Next, accessory ducts. Red testis, vasa efferentia, epididymmis, vas deferens, ejaculatory ducts. The 5 are called accessory ducts. See the diagram. This is a ureter. Go to the urinary bladder. The ureter from the kidney. This urinary bladder. Seminal vesicles. It is one of the gland. It secrete secretion. Then prostate gland, bulbourethral gland, vas deferentia, epididymmis. The matured sperms are stored in this region. The region are called epididymmis. Glans penis. It is a penis, external genitalia. Scrotum. This is scrotum. The testes are present in scrotum. It is a loosey skins, right? Next, accessory glands. Seminal vesicles, bulbourethral gland, prostate gland. It is a bladder, seminal vesicles, prostate, corpus spongiosum, urethra, then testes. Next, semen. Semen means sperm. Male reproductive cells. It is a milky white fluid containing sperm cells and seminal plasma. The seminal plasma provide nutrition to the sperm and help in motility to the female reproductive tract. Act as transport medium. Provide nourishment to sperm. Chemical in semen protect the sperm. Activities the sperm. Increase the motility of sperm. These are all called functions of plasma. Seminal plasma. Right? Next, penis. Penis means external genital organs, right? This is penis, male external reproductive organ. The role of external reproductive organ. Male external genital copulatory organ. The copulatory organ can able to enter into the female reproductive tract and released to the sperm. Tissue of penis helps in erection. Erection means temper. Tip of penis is glans penis. In this region are called glans penis. Glans penis is covered with the foreskin, that is loosey skins, flexible skins. Next we are discuss about female reproductive structures. The female reproductive structures contain a pair of ovaries. This is called the bluish color are called ovaries. A pair of oviduct, ureter, cervix, vagina, and external genitalia. Yeah, this is structure of female reproductive system. In this region are called uterus, fallopian region or ampulla region. It is a fallopian duct. In the bend region are called ampulla region or funnel of oviduct. This is called ovary. Uterus lining. The uterus contains 3 layers of lining. This is a cervix. The sperm are enter in this region, into the regions. Uterus muscular wall. Ovarian ligament. It is a very light color or called ovarian ligament. The ovary connected to the uterus. In this region are called vagina. After that present in external genitalia. Right? Next, ovary. The primary female sex organ. Ovary are called primary female sex organ. Produce ovum. The ovaries are 2 in number. The 2 ovaries are present in female reproductive system. In the shape are called elliptical shape. So see, this is a elliptical shape. 2 cm to 4 cm long, attached to the pelvic wall by mesovarium. This is called a pelvic wall of mesovarium. The the greenish color are called mesovarium. Right? In this region, the greenish, after that the full region are called mesovarium. The mesovarium are attached to the wall of pelvic portion. Right? Next, histology of ovary. The covered by cuboidal epithelium. Inner to epithelial layer is tunica albuginea. Epithelial layer covers the ovarian stroma. Stroma is divided into outer cortex and inner medulla. Cortex is dense and granular with follicles. Medulla is less dense with vessels and nerve fibers. Cortex means outer layer of the ovary. Medulla means inner layer of the ovary. The outer part of the ovary are called cortex. Inner part of the ovary are called medulla. Outer part dense and granular. Inner part less dense with vesicles. It is a major difference of cortex and medulla. Right? Next, fallopian tube. Yeah, the tube like here too. This region are called ampulla. In this region are called isthmus. The entire region are called fallopian tube. Extends from periphery of ovary to uterus. Proximal end is funnel shaped infundibulum. This is called funnel shaped infundibulum. Infundibulum bears finger like fibrinae. This is called finger like fibrinae. The released ovum or enter into the finger like fibrinae. After that ampulla region and travel into the isthmus. The fertilization occurs in ampulla region. It is a very important one more question. Fibrinae helps in collecting the released egg. The wide part of infundibulum is ampulla. The long tubular part is called isthmus. This is a long tubular part which connect ampulla to uterus. This is connected to the ampulla to uterus. Infundibulum, fibrinae, ovary. The pouch-like structure are called uterus. In this long region are called isthmus. The bend region are called ampulla region. Thank you, students. In the next part, we are discuss about next video. Thank you very much. Any doubt?